In today's episode, I'm going to demonstrate how you can easily use both the new Relic CLI and our GraphQL API, which we call NerdGraph, to create markers on entities throughout your environment using our new change tracking feature. Let's start with the new Relic CLI. The first thing I need to do when creating a new marker is gather the entity's globally unique identifier, also known as the GUID or GUID. We can easily do that using the entity search command. I'm using JQ here to filter down to just the entity type, name, and GUID for ease of reading. Using this quick echo command, you can see that I've already saved values for the GUID, user, version, and deployment type into environment variables that I can pass into the CLI command. And here, you can see how easy it is to use the entity deployment create command to create a deployment on my target entity using those environment variables. Finally, using the NerdGraph query command, I can search for change events on this particular entity and validate the results. Looking at our graphical interface for NerdGraph, I've got a similar marker set up here for a different entity GUID. One of the really nice parts of graphical is the ability to click on various API fields and get a quick description of their purpose, data type, and available options. This is really helpful when you're first learning about a new query or mutation. From this page, I can also select which personal API key I want to use or create a new one if necessary for any of the accounts my user account has access to. Under the Tools dropdown, I also have the nice option to copy my snippet into curl in case I need to take this mutation into one of my automation workflows. Clicking the play button, we can see that the mutation was successfully executed in NerdGraph and a new marker was built on my target entity, immediately increasing the value of my telemetry by giving all users in my account the context to know what changed. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the description below where you'll find links to our documentation that will go into more detail about change tracking in the new Relic platform. Stay tuned for future episodes where we'll cover creating custom dashboards with change tracking markers and integrating change tracking into your GitHub actions.